Hi! Would you like to save the money you spend for medicines? Or how about being able to control your cough or colds without medicines or herbs? Or would you like to go out and enjoy your activities without fear of having an asthma attack? Well, if you said yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. Stay tuned and I'm going to tell you how you can do these things through an amazing health hack that can change your life. Hi there, I'm Dr. Charles Edward Florendo, author of the popularly downloaded ebook, Learning to Breathe Again, Your Life-Changing Hack Starts Here. Wouldn't you love it if you could save money from all the medicine you're taking from asthma? Wouldn't you like it if you could reduce or control your asthma without taking any medicines? Or wouldn't you like it if you could go out and do whatever exercise you like without fear of getting an asthma attack? Well, let me tell you something that will surely interest you. You know, we're currently doing a lot of repairs at our house. So our house is full of dust right now and the smell of paint and varnish is all over the place. Long time ago, I would be hospitalized every time this would happen. And I wouldn't just be hospitalized, I would be hospitalized for at least a month because my asthma would exacerbate and get really awful. You know, all that changed when I learned the Buteyko Method. The Buteyko Method is a program developed by a Russian doctor named Dr. Konstantin Buteyko. It proposes to correct the processes that lead to asthma and allergies through activities such as breathing. He initially developed it for his own hypertension and later found that it's very helpful for asthma. Today, the Buteyko Method has a lot of clinical trials around the world and is recognized as a way to help control asthma symptoms. What you learn from the Buteyko Method is different from yoga or other disciplines. Many of my students who have taken up the Buteyko Method now enjoy well-controlled asthma without the use of medicines or herbs. Like me, when they exercise or get exposed to dust, they no longer get asthma attacks. That's not all. The Buteyko Method also has other hidden benefits. Because it normalizes something in your body, it also corrects hyperacidity or GERD. It will help you get better sleep and give you better energy levels throughout the day. I used to teach the Buteyko Method in my clinics and when I travel around to different countries. However, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, I was forced to convert my programs into something that can be taken online. So now you can learn the same workshop I give at my clinics at the safety and comfort of your homes. I made the Buteyko Method easy to learn and apply by developing a system I call the Breathe Perfect system. Here are just a few things you will get from my Breathe Perfect system. Number one is the Buteyko Method. The Buteyko Method will allow you to optimize your breathing to maximize the oxygenation of your body cells. This can control asthma and many other problems that you may be having. Next is you will develop a rapport with a professional Buteyko practitioner. That's me. I can personally supervise your program and your improvement. Most of my students keep in touch with me after they learn the Buteyko Method. So this results in a lifetime relationship which will continuously benefit them in the long term. This leads to an invaluable lifetime support for my students. You will also have easy-to-learn health measuring and health boosting techniques. The Buteyko Method itself is already filled with these techniques, but I have improved it even more by adding additional concepts from both Western and Eastern medicines. You will also get a natural solution to control or reduce symptoms. Natural techniques are often the best techniques to control or reduce symptoms. They don't have side effects and they don't expose your body to toxic chemicals. You will also get thoroughly written worksheets and materials. My workshops come with worksheets and workbooks that will help walk you through the workshops and guide you thoroughly through them. You will also get hands-on supervised activities. Each workshop comes with online teaching sessions where I can personally supervise your activities so that I can make sure you learn the activities correctly. And of course, you will be getting an effective and proven system that I have tried and tested in 4 different continents worldwide. But wait, I'm going to tell you something even more exciting. This coming January, you will have the opportunity to learn the Buteyko Method through my live workshops. This workshop, called the Breathing Camp Workshop, is ideal for persons who are 15 years old or above and who suffer from asthma. It can also be applied to people who don't have asthma but who have GERD or hyperacidity, those who have allergic rhinitis, and those who snore or have sleeping problems. With the Breathing Camp, you will be getting 1 month personal coaching from me. You will have at least 3 learning sessions, parts 1, part 2, part 3. You will get workbooks and lifetime support from yours truly. I'm only allowing up to 4 students to enroll per class, so I am ensuring that you will get very good quality materials and very good quality supervision. So come and visit www.breathingexpert.com and fill up the contact form that pops up. After you fill up this contact form, you will get instructions on how to get an additional 20% discount from my workshop fees. Isn't that exciting? Well, I'm certainly excited, and I am certainly excited to see you become asthma-free. So, open your browser now and enter www.breathingexpert.com right now and fill up the contact form that I made just for you.